Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel and फेशियल जो है हम लोग आई थिंक सारे लोग ही करते हैं या फिर किसी से करवाते हैं. आई डू नो हाउ टू डू फेशियल एट होम, सो आई कीप बाइंग डिफरेंट जो फेशियल किट्स होती हैं. एंड माई फ्रेंड हैड गॉन फॉर अ वेकेशन और वहाँ पे उसका बहुत ज़्यादा स्किन जो है वो टैन हो गया था. सो she bought a facial kit which has de-tanning also in it, and I tried on her face and the results were awesome. And the kit which she bought was this Nature's Essence kit, and this was whitening pearl facial kit. This kit has like 3 use pack, so she bought it for herself and I did it on her face and the results were so awesome. Right away when I was done with doing her facial, her face just glowed and the tan was almost not visible. And that is why I just loved it. And she bought whitening pearl because her skin was really very tanned and dry and lacking the glow. This is how the kit is. So this is the 5 steps for the facial, and this kit is only 260 rupees and this is 3 times use, so it's like around like 80 rupees that you pay. Just takes around like 45 minutes to do it at home. I do get my facial done sometimes in a salon and I do pay around like 2500 to like 4000 there, and the results, I have to be very honest, they are almost the same as you do it with any kit, or you get it done in a very high-end salon with like paying so much money for it, but still you get almost same results. So why not do it at home? And not everybody likes to splurge their money on facials, or not everybody is comfortable paying that kind of money. So why not to just do it at home? You just got to know the basic steps of doing massage. And if you don't know, like my friend didn't know, she came to me and I did it for her and she was really amazed with the result. So what I did, I went ahead and bought more of the facial kits because I just keep doing facial at home for me, for my friend. So the other kits that I got are brightening diamond facial kit, and the next is glowing gold facial kit. So you can pick and choose what you really want, what you are looking for. Are you looking for just the glow, or are you looking for like flawless papaya? So it up to you what you want. This is the gentle fruit facial kit. So I got 4 more kits. My problem areas that I see: uneven skin tone. That's the first thing that I see on my face, and I do see tan here. So that is my problem area. So I think for me, either uh, this glowing gold or brightening diamond, and I'm torn between the two. I can decide. Maybe I'll go with the gold kit. So this is how the kit comes. Open it from here. And this is how it is. So I'm done with the facial with all the steps that were mentioned on the pack, and I do feel skin feels quite nourished and बहुत clean भी लग रहा है, and I put moisturizer on after the pack, so it feels so smooth and nice, and I feel that थोड़ा सा जो tan था वो भी कम हुआ है. Definitely there is definitely quite a bit of improvement in my skin. It feels smooth and it feels clean and hydrated at the same time, and it just cost around like 80 rupees for one time facial. So it's really good when you look at the price, and also when you look at the impact that it gives you. I like people having good skin, and that is why I'm a big fan of doing facials at home. So these kits for me really are very good to do facials at home, and very aptly priced too, in 260 rupees. So if you guys are also a fan of doing facials at home, or if you just want to give it a try, you should look at these Nature Essence facial kits. That's all, guys. Bye bye.